In today's video, we're making 7 different sauced up recipes for your meal prep chicken, including this egg taco. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of More Seasoning. I am your host, Farnum, and today, you guys blew my comment section up on the meal prep video we did a couple weeks ago. I'm showing you how I sauce up my meal prep chicken. How many days are in a week? Yes, 7, that's right, there's 7 days in a week, so I'm giving you 7 different recipes, 7 different ways to sauce it up. That way you never get tired of eating that healthy shredded chicken breast. Hey, before we jump into the video, please scroll down, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. It helps more than you even know, and go ahead and drop a comment, show some love down there. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the meal prep chicken. If you missed our meal prep video, I'm gonna show you how to make the base of our chicken so you have it for the whole week. All you do is take some trimmed chicken breast, and we're gonna hit it with some avocado oil, salt and pepper on both sides, throw our Bluetooth thermometer in, throw it in a 375 oven until it hits 155 internally, pull it out, shred it, and we're good to go. First recipe is gonna be a buffalo chicken lettuce wrap. The ingredients are what the sauce, Frank's red hot sauce, ranch, white distilled vinegar, garlic powder, unsalted butter, bib lettuce, carrots, celery, and our chicken. And it's extremely easy. All we're gonna do is this. We're gonna shave off some carrot, then we're gonna fine chop half a stalk of celery. Hit the stove, do half a stick of unsalted butter, quarter cup Frank's red hot sauce, dash of garlic powder, a splash of white distilled vinegar, a splash of what the sauce. Mix it up until it's complete. Throw our chicken in, toss it around. All right, so once you got everything prepped, you just take a little glob of your buffalo chicken right on your lettuce. Then we can just add a drizzle of whatever ranch you want. I make the best ranch ever. You can check that video out, but we're on a time crunch. You can make a ton of these at once. Then we just hit it with some celery for a little bit of crunch, just like that. Top it off with some shaved carrot, and voila, you've got yourself an easy buffalo chicken ranch wrap. All right, boom. Now we do a quick taste test. Money. That's fire. Next recipe is a chicken salad on a lettuce wrap if you want, or just plain. I usually eat it out of the bowl. We got some spices, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, our chicken, pepper, chives, celery, Dijon mustard, and a light mayo to keep things nice and healthy. Let's whip it together. All right, we're just gonna whip this together real time. That's how easy it is. All right, we're just gonna take about 100 grams of chicken, which is normally what I eat in a sitting. I'll just do that multiple times a day. 100 grams of chicken. Next, we're just gonna do a little shot of Dijon mustard. There we go, about a teaspoon worth. Then we've got our Duke's mayo light. Yes, just like that. And then we'll do about a teaspoon and a half. Then we'll add our spices in. So I've got some onion powder here, I'm serious, a tiny little bit. Just a pop, like maybe an 1/8 teaspoon. Garlic powder, same thing. We're going 1/8 teaspoon. Smoked paprika, same vibe, 1/8 teaspoon. Just like, come on. There it goes. And then just to add some crunch into that, I like to just take some celery. I got about half a stalk right here. I just hit that with a fine chop, slide it off. Into the bowl we go. Black pepper and a dash of salt. Salt fairy. And then we just mix. If you like more flavor, a little bit more of a bite to it, you can add more Dijon mustard. That's what I tend to do. I go a little heavy on the Dijon. And then what do you know? You grab yourself a little bib of lettuce, pinch it off from the bottom, throw it right there on your cutting board. And then the chicken salad goes right on top. Finish it off with some cracked. Where's he at? Pepper. And Viola, you got yourself a little chicken salad on bib lettuce. Hey yo, can't forget the taste test. Let's go ahead. Your chicken salad. It's amazing. Next recipe, we've got a chicken Cesar wrap. Super simple, we'll throw the ingredients up. We've got a spinach wrap. We've got some fresh romaine lettuce. I cooked up some bacon, Parmesan, grape tomatoes, Cesar dressing of your choice, and our chicken. This one is extremely easy, guys, seriously. So we'll just start by prepping out everything. We'll do it real time just to show you how easy it is. I got my lettuce. I'm just gonna roll it up. We'll just do some slices just like this. Grape tomato, ready? Grape tomato, slice them in half, and we'll just do some little slices. Boom, just like that. Then we got our bacon. Just gonna chop our bacon up, just like that. So we're gonna start with a little base of Cesar. Let's get it on out. Hey, there it is. Cool, we'll start with a little Cesar base just so we have something to stick to, just like that. Then we put our lettuce down, beautiful. We're gonna take our chicken and we'll just dance our chicken right across. Very easy, then we just go in with our bacon. So we're going in with our Cesar dressing. Do about another tablespoon right across the top, just so we get that flavor in that chicken. Then we hit it with some of our chopped up grape tomatoes. And then we just finish it off with a microplane of some fresh Parmesan. Come on, look at that. You see how easy that is, folks? Come on, what are we talking about? What the are we talking about? All right, all we do, we squeeze in towards the sides. We're gonna hit that with a roll. We're gonna push in We're gonna roll again, keeping it tight, keeping it tight. We're gonna roll again, a nice squeeze. Oh, crack the seam, but we finish strong. Take our knife, right down the middle, low-key falling apart, but we're gonna survive. Time for the TT, AKA the taste test. Let's roll. Next recipe is a chicken bacon ranch cucumber boat. Obviously you could swap a cucumber boat for a lot of these other ones. Let's just go ahead and do it. So we've got our cucumber. All we're gonna do is carefully take a knife. We're gonna slice down the middle of our cucumber. And then we're gonna take a spoon and we're gonna scoop out the guts, slice it in half. All right, so we got our boat scooped out. Not the prettiest thing, we could have did it better, but you know what? It'll have to work. Then all we do is we take our bacon. We're gonna fine chop this up. This is a chicken bacon ranch cucumber boat after all. Again, keeping it light, keeping it easy, keeping it healthy. We can do this very quick. We scoop our bacon up. We're gonna grab it, whoop, into our bowl, just like that. Next, we can grab our chicken. We're just gonna throw a handful in there, nice and shredded like. Then we're gonna hit it with some mild cheddar cheese. Gotta have cheddar in that chicken bacon ranch. There we are. And then we finish it off with, of course, some ranch dressing, or else it wouldn't be a chicken bacon ranch. Now we go ahead and mix everything up, and then you just scoop it into the boat, just like this. Finish it off with a little black pepper. Make it look nice and pretty. And she's done. TT time, taste test, chicken bacon ranch cuke. Let's go. That one hits crazy, whoa. All right, next we've got a chicken Greek salad, very easy to put together. Our ingredients, again, over here, we've got some romaine lettuce, grape tomatoes, Greek dressing, Kalamata olives, feta cheese, and of course, our chicken. Here's how we're gonna whip this together real quick. We're going to grab our knife, go ahead and roll our lettuce up. Again, we're just gonna do some slices down, so we get some bite-sized pieces. And we got our grape tomatoes, again, sliced down the middle, and then we're just gonna hit these with a couple slices, so we get little bite-sized pieces. Here's the trick though, ready? Anytime you make a salad, you gotta get yourself a big old bowl. You throw your lettuce in, just like so. We're gonna throw our grape tomatoes in. We wanna do our feta cheese, so go ahead and grab some of your feta, crumble that up in there so we get a bit in every single bite. If you don't like feta, you could do goat cheese. All right, then we got our Kalamata olives, the best olives on earth. All we're gonna do is scoop a few in there, as many as you'd like. I get them pitted, that way I don't chip my teeth accidentally. Boom, so I got about 6 to 8 olives in there. Then we're just gonna take our Greek dressing, do a little shot in there, a couple tablespoons. All right, and this is how you're supposed to mix a salad for real. You grab a glove, you throw it on, and you get your hands dirty. And all you're gonna do is just spin it. Mix it around, just like that. You might lose an olive or two, don't worry about it. We're gonna get that dressing and that cheese nice and coated on everything, and then what do you know? You take your bowl, you take your salad, you dump it on out, and then you finish that off with a nice bed of chicken right in the middle, with a little bit of feta right on top, and black cracked pepper. And then if you really want some extra dressing in there, you could just dance it around your chicken. And there it is. Ladies and gentlemen. TT time, taste test, let's get it. So we're just gonna go ahead, get a little bit of that lettuce, get some of those olives in there, a little tomato. There we go, and come on. If you can't tell, we're in a major time crunch right now. That's why I just keep everything where it is. We're doing this real time. Anyway, ingredients for our teriyaki chicken taco is going to be a street style taco. If you wanna make it healthier, use a lettuce wrap. Then we got some kimchi, fresh out of Korea, some teriyaki sauce, green onion, sesame seed, and our chicken, of course. This one, we're gonna have to hit the stove real quick. So all we're gonna do is heat up our teriyaki sauce on a low heat, get it to a nice bubble. We're gonna throw our chicken in, and we're just gonna mix that up till it's nice and reheated. All right, so we're gonna grab a little slice of green onion, slide them to the side. Then we're coming in with a nice little fine chop right here. Boom, beautiful, just like that. Nice little decorative slices. And then guess what? Guess what? Check me out. Over here, boom, we come over here. We got our little street taco warming up on our plate, bam. And then we're just gonna slap our teriyaki chicken on there. Look at that, the steam is the dream, baby. And then all we gotta do to finish this off, so we grab a little kimchi. Right here, I got this from Costco. We can slide our kimchi on the side, and then we hit it with some green onion. And then we can just finish it off with a little bit of sesame seeds. Little teriyaki chicken taco, easy breezy, beautiful, cover girl, you know the vibes. All right, here we go, TT time. This one's juicy, I'm eating it over the sink. Whoa, this one's crazy. Damn. Last but not least, day 7, AKA Sunday Fun Day. You could throw this breakfast burrito in the mix. All you're gonna need is 2 eggs, some unsalted butter, flour tortillas, American or cheddar cheese, pickled onions. I got the recipe up here, some hot sauce, some chicken. Listen, I'm not gonna put you through the painstaking process of making the most incredible scrambled eggs in the world. If you wanna check them out, you can check it here in the Egg 101 video. In the meantime, all we're gonna do, we got our flour tortilla. We've got our perfectly scrambled eggs with our chicken and cheese inside. And we're just gonna pop them onto a little taco for a breakfast moment. There we go. All right, then we're gonna roll in with just a little bit of salsa on the top, just like that. Then we're coming in with some pickled O, dab them on top, like the Migos. And then we finish that puppy off with just a dab of the Frank's Red. And there you go, a beautiful, easy, high protein, low calorie breakfast burrito. All right, it's TT time. Let's get it. We're gonna waste no more time. I can eat this every single morning. This right here, this is money. This might be a 7-day-a-week thing right here. Fire. And ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. I have officially ruined meal prep chicken for the next week or so for myself. I just ate like a pound of it over the last 45 minutes, so I'm kind of disgusted. Anyway, we gave you 7 awesome mixed up different vibes and flavors. We went teriyaki, we went breakfast burrito, we went cucumber boat. It's all over the place, but that's so you can incorporate that meal prep chicken every day for a quick, easy, healthy snack or meal. Hey, if you made it this far, please scroll down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below and let me know which one of these you're going to try. My name is Farnum. This is More Seasoning. I don't want to smell or taste chicken for another 7 days. I appreciate y'all. We out. Jamari wants me to tell you which one was my favorite. The teriyaki one or the cucumber boat definitely were slapping.